back to Cheers.
We have a massive Jolse Haul. Oh god.
And it has like a lot of new products that we haven't tried before.
Yes.
So
if you guys want to know
see what our Korean skincare haul is, then just keep watching.
I guess I'll start. Mine was on the top. What is... Oh, I got these. Dr. Belmer.
Dr. Belmeur.
Mild Derma. But it's basically hyaluronic acid sheet masks. And the packaging is so cute. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them.
The coffee's done.
Stupid. Yeah, but the packaging was super, super cute. Like...
Oh, look at this one. Oh. I didn't want all of them. I just wanted one. Look at this one.
Like, honestly, this is me.
This is me with the cracking skin, and I strive to be that. I want that.
This cartoon, they literally put like a comic strip on here.
She's crying.
This is like, oh my gosh. I have a lack of, basically like a lack of.
Joke. Oh god.
No, it says 수분 부족. 분분 joke.
I only read this.
What? So it's supposed to be very hydrating, apparently.
We'll see. I've never tried the brand. I wanted to kind of like branch out Korean brand usage.
So apparently it just has like a bunch of hyaluronic acid in it.
It's right up my alley.
Chanel and I both got this. It was on discount.
I want to open it.
On Jolse. It's the Hell-Pore Marine Collagen Ampoule.
It's so cute. That twedgy is me. Ooh, and this is what it looks like, guys.
And it looked really cool.
Boom. So cute. So pink. So juicy.
Why is it like that? I mean, all I read was marine collagen and I was like, I'm sold. I didn't look too much more
smell
into
anything
it.
like the beach. It just smells like herbs.
Herbs? Really?
Smell it.
It does smell like herbs. Herbs.
Here.
Smell it.
Smell it, guys.
Ooh, it's real thick. Juicy. Oh, it's like super watery.
Ooh, that's a strong smell. I can smell it from here.
Okay, now that I'm smelling it more, it smells like flowers. Like, doesn't it smell like rose to you? Like a
a bit. Yeah, I can see that. We are planning on doing like a full review on this with ingredients and all that stuff, so stay tuned for that.
Yes.
Literally, I think the only reason why I got it was because of the marine collagen aspect of it. And if you guys don't know anything about collagen, where have you been? Come on, it's 2019 now.
Get with the program.
And then obviously hyaluronic acid. This has been on our channel before. And then my next one is the MISSHA Time Revolution Night Repair, and I've gotten this before as well. Hey, it's fancy. She's a fancy one. She has her own display.
So cute.
But anyways, this one is supposed to be like the dupe to the Estee Lauder Night Repair.
Girl, that's expensive.
And this is like, what is that one? That's like $100 something, right?
For like,
150 or something like that. It's real smalls.
Yeah.
And I mean, I get the big version because I'm bougie like that. But then lately I haven't been bougie like that because I'm about to get a puppy and I'm just like, I don't have money for myself anymore.
Honestly, welcome to the life.
Yeah, basically. I'm getting a new puppy, guys. Yes. So stay tuned for that because we're gonna have little, I don't know what her name's gonna be, but when I meet her, I'm sure. Boom jocks.
Boom jocks.
But her and
Boom jocks, come here.
Right now. Wawa.
Wawa. Just
Sorry. Charlie and her Boom jocks are going to have play dates. So stay tuned for that because that's gonna be super cute.
Overload of cuteness for sure.
But anyways, back to the skincare. This is really good. I've tried it a few times before and I noticed that it has like a brightening aspect to my face. And if you guys want me to do like a full review on it, I can definitely do that. Just let me know in the comment section below.
Speaking of the glow, I got this Glow On Mist by ETUDE House. And y'all, it's shaped like a light bulb. Let me show you.
Dude, I saw that when you requested me to get it for us, or for you. Dude, it looks, the packaging is so cute on this.
And so I got it to like hopefully do a video on that versus the watermelon glow because it's really similar.
Oh, you actually, this is a twist off. She's fancy. It's not twisting off. It's not a twist off.
So stupid.
I just want to smell it. It's not smelling. It looks exactly like the formula wise. It looks similar to the
so when you shake
recipe.
it kind of like, and it's like even stored like this, which is how glow recipe is stored. Let's see the spray, y'all.
Ooh. She's fine.
I can't tell if that's the smell of the collagen or what.
It just smells like skincare. It doesn't have like a distinct
It smells
scent.
like the Atomy Rose Rain.
A little bit, but not like, it's very fine in smell and spray.
Well, the spray, I think the watermelon one is like way finer.
I mean,
But we'll see.
I mean, it's making you glow like a bulb.
We'll see.
I see. I get why it's a bulb. Like the light, because it's glowing. I was really slow on that. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try to be faster.
Anyway, review to come.
It's a bar of gold.
It was really cheap, so I got it.
And it's like, when they imprint the gold, it has that too.
Yeah,
Do you see
it's
that?
so cute.
But this is Chanel's,
Elizavecca, man.
this is Chanel's face wash.
Yes.
24K gold. 24 karat magic in the air. Ooh, that's big.
Yo, this is giant.
That's massive.
Even the bottle's gold. Anyway, let's see what it smells like. It smells good.
Oh, I always do that.
I knew you were gonna do that.
I can't really smell much.
Is it actually gold?
No, it's white. Does it have gold specks?
That's what I'm wondering.
No, I don't see gold specks. Now let me
It smells
smell
good.
It smells good. It smells like baby powder.
It does. There's no gold in it though. I'm disappointed. I thought there was gonna be like gold flakes.
I also don't see gold on the ingredients list.
Stupid.
But I'm assuming that with this, it's going to brighten your skin.
Maybe that was the intent. Like, it looks. There's a snail on it. Is there snail mucin in here?
Snail secretion filtrate.
Cute. That's exactly what I want.
This one is the Blemish Cover Cushion from COSRX. They came out with like a cushion foundation.
Ooh.
But no. It's like, I love the fact that it's
Matte.
flush and it's square-ish. Like it'll fit into my bags, I think, a little bit easier.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is what it looks like. It's matte and then it has like shiny lettering and then it's flat this way and it's square. And then inside the cushion is gray and it's cushiony.
What else would it be, Laura?
But it feels really secure. Like it's not gonna be moving anywhere. Right?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. And then it's white on the bottom. And then, ooh, it feels really soft. That's so
Dang, I
soft.
want my skin to feel like that.
So the color that I got was the natural one. Let's see, 23, number 23. Usually I get 21, but I realized that that's actually way too pale for me and I was just being ambitious on trying to be a little bit brighter and lighter. But turns out I wasn't being that bright because I'm not that light. See what I did there? And that's this part.
Wait, why is it so
And then no, and then when you, there you go.
Ooh, I want to see it.
So it's like that.
That's a good color.
Yeah.
No. No. Put it on your skin.
That's still pretty light.
But I think it'll like blend in.
It'll oxidize.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Korean makeup always oxidizes.
I'm just using a different cushion from my Sol Huasu's Perfecting Cushion.
Why you gotta say it like that?
Ooh, it's like, it has like a very yellow tint.
It does. I kind of like it.
I feel like this would actually fit your face better. Because I always go, all of my stuff is like, well, maybe if I didn't have another foundation underneath, then this would be working better. But
That's true.
But the color is a little bit more tinted with yellow than the pink that I'm used to. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is like the area that it was
Yo,
on.
but that's hella glowy.
But it's super, yeah, it is
Oh
glowy.
my, look at it on the camera.
Dang, okay. The foundation I had
Do I
before
need
this was the YSL like Touche Éclat or something like that, the dewy one. But you know, I actually really like this. It's supposed to, so actually this has a good amount of coverage to it, I would say. And I think it would be pretty buildable. I'm not sure how buildable it would be like in the crease sections. That's my only concern, but I can definitely do a review on this too if you guys want. Just leave it in the comment section below.
Aggressive. Okay, I think this one's mine.
Yep.
It's the Moisture Sparkle Cream from Elizavecca. I was on an Elizavecca shopping spree.
Yeah, she really was. They were having a sale for Elizavecca stuff.
And everything
so.
was so cute. But basically, I bought this because it's supposed to be like a underneath your makeup type of cream.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and it makes you really glowy. Oh dang, it's hella thick.
That's thick.
It smells just like skincare.
Can I touch?
Yeah. It's like a whipped consistency.
Ooh, it's actually a lot lighter. It has
has
pearly,
pearls,
yeah, it has
yeah.
iridescence to it. So that's where you would get the glow.
It smells so good.
It smells like skincare. Like clean skincare.
But like,
It kind of has like that greasy feel to it though.
yeah, I love that.
Yeah, so I wouldn't like it on my hands, but for the face.
For the face.
It would be great.
I think makeup would go, because it's like a thicker cream too, so it might fill in your wrinkles and pores too. I'll try it out, guys.
Okay, so we've got the sunscreen from Innisfree, and I've been really liking the Intensive Triple Care sunscreen, but basically this Innisfree one has like 3 different kinds. It was like Triple Care, mild, and like I think one pinky one or something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it has like a matte packaging to it, so I really like the packaging. It just feels clean.
And it comes in a nice tube. Thank you.
But a disclaimer is that this will brighten your skin. Like
It turns you real
it'll
light.
turn you pretty light. So, but I personally have been liking this. Like since I work at home, I don't have to wear makeup all the time, and I just always put on this sunscreen every day, and it actually just looks like I have like a really light coverage foundation on. So I've been really liking this for days that I don't want to wear foundation. Also, I just wear this every day anyways for sunscreen protection. So I've been really liking it. But if you have a darker skin toned color, I don't know if I would recommend this for you.
Yeah, because even like with my tan right now, it makes a huge difference. Yeah, like my skin, it turns it more cool tone, I guess. So it looks kind of funny, but it kind of goes away after a while.
Yeah. So I also got the mild version of this line, and it's all white. I haven't really looked too much into the difference between the Intensive Triple Care versus the mild versus the other one, but I can let you guys know in the description box below if you'd like. So my next one is the Water Drop Daily Lip, and my lips are always crusty, so I wanted to give this a try, mainly because of the packaging.
I know, it's really cute. It looks moisturizing.
Ooh, and it has a glow to it. So can you guys see that little bit of glow?
It's like the Dior Glow Maximizer
Yeah.
for your lip.
It doesn't have a smell.
Ooh, it turned kind of pink.
Yeah, even this part turned a bit pinky here.
That's such a cute pink color. That's different.
I don't know if you guys could, can you see the bit of pink at the tip there? But it's very natural. I really like it. Hopefully it moisturizes.
Feels moisturizing.
Yeah, and I mean, I just wanted to try another lip glow product, but
Those are always nice. They come in clutch, especially if you don't have a mirror. I got the Elizavecca Water Lock Hydrogel Melting Mask.
ooh.
The color already looks amazing.
Dang. Let me feel it. Ooh.
It's like a gel
The
mask.
gel masks. I love gel masks.
And it comes with how many?
5.
Oh, 5. You should have one. Try it.
Okay. Let's do it together.
Oh, good idea. Video.
Yeah.
We'll review it for you guys because it feels really good.
It says right here, properties are to help those skin whitening, help to relieve wrinkles. That's it.
I need both of those things. It just looked really intense, so that's why I got it.
honestly.
And it has a little twedgy on the front.
And it said waterlock. I'm into waterlocking.
Me too. Not waterlogging though, that's different.
No, but locking.
Locking is great.
Logging.
Let's not. Anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed watching our haul.
And if you did, then leave us a like as well as becoming
Subscribe.
a part of our channel by subscribing to us.
Ring the notification bell to get notified when we post.
And as always, cheers to a good week.
Bye. How in your brain did you think that would work?
Honestly.